Hey guys, and welcome to Binging with the Fuzzpunks. I bet you can't tell who's one of my favorite YouTube channels right now. And today, we'll be making Thai coconut soup, also known as Kha Gai. Although, it may not be without the chicken, I don't really know. Whatever it is, it gives me a chance to show off two of my favorite kitchen things. The brand new Instapot that I got for Christmas, and my very favorite knife, which is a kiwi knife. And the reason it's my favorite is it's great, and it's $8, link in the description. And I don't think you can get a better one for the price. The first thing we're going to do is set the Instapot to the saute mode, let it get nice and heated up. Add some oil, and throughout the video you're going to notice that I use shot glasses. And that's because in the US, a shot glass is 3 ounces, which makes it easy to quickly approximate measurements, especially in cooking that doesn't matter too much. Roughly chop and de-seed a bell pepper, loosely chop up an onion, and throw them into the hot oil for a few minutes. While they're sizzling, slice up a generous handful of mushrooms, then throw them into the saute as well. Again, just a few minutes. The real cooking is going to be done under pressure, but we want to expose those flavors now. Next, we'll add some ginger, and pro tip, even though the recipe said that a 2-inch root should be good, it was way too much. And I should have chopped it finer. Add in a third shot of soy sauce, half-ish a shot of fish sauce, half a shot of brown sugar, and a heaping spoonful of curry paste, or another heaping spoonful of curry paste, or the whole jar. If the stores near you carry real curry paste that has an actual kick to it, maybe less, but this was pretty dead. Next out, the drained firm tofu, and I like to cube it up. Make sure it's drained as good as you can get. This recipe already isn't very concentrated, and adding more moisture definitely would not have helped. And the final step before we get dangerous is 8 cups of broth. I use chicken broth, since the whole tofu thing is more about cutting more meat out of my diet for health reasons. If you wanted to be fully vegetarian, vegetable broth probably works fine. I know if I was really babishing it up, I would have made the chicken broth in the Instapot before starting the soup, but next time. Close the lid, listen for the satisfying melody telling you it's airtight, and set it to high for 5 minutes. Now, one of the things with all Instapot recipes, they'll say 5 minutes, but it actually means, 25 minutes on top of that, because it's about 15 minutes to build pressure and about 10 minutes of natural release. So it really is longer than the recipe says. And it's tempting when the 5 minutes is up to just release the pressure. Don't do that. It's dangerous. It'll release burning steam in your face, and it'll ruin the recipe usually. Let it, release pressure naturally for about 10 minutes. Then hit the release. Pop the lid, take in the smell, add a shot of lime juice, a cup of coconut milk, and a good squirt of sriracha. Stir it all up, admire the beautiful cover, and serve it up awkwardly because your ladle seems to have grown legs and run off. Fill your mind with positive emotions and force other people to try it with you. And it was good. The broth was excellent. However, this was my first time ever making Kha Gai, and I would definitely do some things differently next time. Less ginger. It needs less ginger. I also wish I had used more expressive mushrooms and peppers, maybe done red and green peppers with shiitake and oyster mushrooms instead of the baby bells. And finally, and no excuse for this other than laziness, either make the broth